If you're wondering how many attendees can join an EverWebinar, you're in the right place. The answer may surprise you, and I'll be covering everything you need to know about EverWebinar's attendee limits and some key features that could help your business succeed with this platform. Stick around till the end, as I'll also share an exclusive extended free trial offer that could get you started with EverWebinar at no cost. First things first, let's address the core question. How many people can actually attend an EverWebinar event? Well, the platform is designed to host large audiences, and it scales pretty well. Depending on the plan you choose, EverWebinar can accommodate anywhere from a few hundred to a massive audience in the thousands. With their premium plan, the maximum number of attendees is pretty impressive, allowing for up to 5,000 attendees in a single session. Now, if you're thinking about using EverWebinar for your next big online event, you'll likely be interested in how it handles these large numbers. Fortunately, the platform is robust and can seamlessly support large-scale webinars without affecting performance. Whether you're running a small session for niche clients or a large, high-traffic event, EverWebinar ensures smooth delivery of your webinar with minimal disruption. Next thing to keep in mind is that EverWebinar also has features that are perfect for maximizing engagement, even when you have hundreds or thousands of attendees. These features include automated emails, attendee tracking, and live chat, which all work in tandem to create a more personalized experience for each participant. The fourth thing to consider is that EverWebinar isn't just for live sessions, it also supports automated, pre-recorded webinars. This feature is especially useful when you're targeting audiences in different time zones, or when you want to offer a 24/7 evergreen webinar experience. These automated webinars allow you to host an unlimited number of viewers without worrying about live interactions, making it easier to scale your business globally. One more thing to note, while EverWebinar supports such large numbers of attendees, it's important to ensure that you're fully prepared for your audience size. This means optimizing your marketing, preparing your content ahead of time, and testing your webinar before going live, especially if you're expecting a large crowd. The more preparation you put into your webinar, the better your chances of success. As we wrap up, don't forget that you can try EverWebinar for free by clicking the link in the description below. Plus, when you use our exclusive link, you'll get an extended free trial that will give you even more time to explore the platform's features and find out if it's right for your business. To recap, EverWebinar can handle up to 5,000 attendees on its premium plan, it supports automated and live events, and it comes with helpful features to manage even large-scale webinars. If you're serious about using this powerful platform, make sure to check out the link below for your extended free trial. This could be the game changer you've been looking for.